Hey, this is Joe with Vive Health, and I'm gonna show you how to put on the Vive hernia belt. So we have the hernia belt here, and you wanna hold it like this when you're first getting started. And the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is line up the removable pads with where you want the pressure. Okay, you can see the pads inside of here. They're nice foam to keep that pressure solid. And then you're gonna wanna reach through and grab the straps. Okay, and you start with one side and don't worry exactly about the tightness, just get it connected there. And then you're gonna reach down and get the other side and connect it over. And now everything's in place. So if you want, you can adjust the tightness, which I'm gonna do for myself to make sure I have a nice amount of pressure. And then you can reach through and actually make the straps going in between your legs even stronger. I'm actually reaching from behind here and getting these straps to tighten. And I'm gonna do that on both sides. And it's really that simple. Right now I have a great amount of pressure exactly where I want it, and I'm good to go. Thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any other questions, leave a comment down below.